guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelic. Today we are going to be reviewing the new Midas Cosmetics x Julie Gutierrez, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, palette. This collection, it comes with this palette with all of these beautiful shades. It also comes with a set of lashes, and then it also has like 5 glitters. So before we get started, let me just say I did get this in PR, and I am an affiliate with Midas Cosmetics. I do love the brand. I love the owner. Her name is Rocio, and she's super nice. She's a smaller influencer as well, but she has built this brand from the ground up, and she puts out really good quality stuff. I do have a code with them, and that is ANGELIC. And the collab is with another micro influencer, and her name is Julie, and I will put her up here and in the description box. And she is really super nice, and she's always been super supportive of everything that I have ever done. So I just want to let you guys know that up front, because it is somebody that I know, and it is a brand that I know and love, and that I'm an affiliate with. So I can't say that my review is going to be 100% unbiased, because when you're friends with people or like know them in our community, it's very small, then you want them to succeed and you want the products to be good. So that's just a little disclaimer before we get started. So the palette has 16 shades in it, has some neutral shades, and then of course over here are colors, which you know I'm going to be like digging into these. I think I mainly want to focus on these two. That's what my eye is like catching. The brightest colors in the palette, so you should know already. Plus I did have a request from one of my subscribers to do a blue-green look for my YouTube, so that's what we're going to do today. I'm just starting off by priming my eye with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. The first shade I'm going to go into is this one called Midnight. I'm going to pick this up on a flat definer brush. This is the Anastasia A1. I'm going to use this to outline where I want this to go, because I don't think I'm going to do like a full on cut. Like I don't think I'm gonna cut my crease. I think I want it to be like just a little more blended and smoky, but I'm not really sure. This is having a little bit of fallout, which I don't mind, and I'm picking it up on a flat definer, so that's like, you know, of course it's gonna have fallout. So I'm gonna like put a little bit of powder under my eye to like catch everything. And out here I think I do want it to be more blown out. So I'm just taking that flat definer, and I'm just kind of wiggling it back and forth, like just to like kind of work the product into my skin and kind of get the shape I'm going for. Then I'm going to take a clean Morphe M506 with no product on it, and I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit, diffuse the edges some. Now out here I think I'm gonna like blow it out more, but for now I'm just trying to kind of see where I'm going with this. Now I'm gonna take this same shade, I'm gonna press that right up against my bottom lash line. And then I'm going to do the same thing with wiggling it back and forth to blend it a little. And then I'm going to connect it right here. And then I'm just going to diffuse the edges again. And so with this part, I'm literally just blending right on top of the shadow, because I don't want to blend it down any more than it already is. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Sway. I'm picking that up on a Morphe M508 brush, and I'm just kind of going to pack it right on the edge of this blend, like on the lightest part of the blend. And then I'm just going to take a different M506 brush, and I'm going to use that to blend that out the same as we did with the blue. And then I'm going to go back in with the blue to just deepen that up a little bit, since I feel like I blended a lot of that away. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that green and I'm going to put it on the bottom as well. And I'll just do it a little bit through here to kind of blend those together. So I'm going to go back with a little bit of that base, and it's like I am going to cut the crease. I just need to like sharpen this up a little bit. So then I'm going to go back in with that Sway shade, and I'm going to use that to fill up this crease. But I'm not sure if I'm going to go all the way to the end. I think I might actually. So next I think I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter adhesive and the glitter in the shade Entice, and this is a really fine glitter, and so I wanted it to go, the green to go under it, so there will be something to like pop through. Okay, so I put the glue on my hand. I'm mixing the glitter on my hand because I don't want there to be a bunch of fallout, because I've already done my base makeup. And so then I'm just gonna place it right over it, the entire green part. Oh my god, they flipping snapped with this glitter. Look at this. Oh my god, I don't even know if it'll show up on camera the way it does in person, but I'm in love with this. Oh my god, look how pretty. Wow. Next I'm going to go in with this shade Modesty. I'm going to use that for the inner corner. Next, for my waterline, I'm going to go with this Marc Jacobs highliner in the shade Whirlpool. For lips, I'm going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetics Lip Kit in Charm. Charm is literally like my favorite one by her. Like, this is almost empty. And then for highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Vegas loose highlighter. Okay, you guys, that concludes the tutorial on this look and the review on this palette. So my final thoughts are, the shades that I used, I only used 3 out of it, I know. So hopefully I'll do some more looks. I like it, of course. Midas is such a good brand and such a good brand to support. So it's an indie brand and it's one of my favorites because they've been so easy to work with. So proud of them, so proud of Julie. I really am in love with this glitter that I used to. Okay, I think it's actually, the name of this is Diamond Dust. It is the Entice collection and the name is Diamond Dust. So super happy with this look and how it turned out. I'm really excited to post it for you guys tomorrow. And yeah, I hope you guys will check them out. Let me check with Rocio really quick, and I'm gonna like text her and ask her how much this palette's gonna be. Okay, so Rocio just texted me back. The palette is going to be $26. The glitters are $15. The lashes, oh my god, I forgot to use the lashes. I'm so used to grabbing. These are Intoxicating by Flutter, and I just keep them here, and I like totally forgot to use these lashes. Okay, they're gonna be $7, and then if you want to buy the whole collection together, it's gonna be $40 total, and you can use code ANGELIC to save some money off. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next one.